Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Whew, you guys, I'm feeling so much better. So I'm sorry I didn't post Wednesday. You guys, Wednesday was well, what was it? No, yeah, okay, so my filming days are like, okay, so I film a day before so it could be posted the day I have my video scheduled for. So Tuesday was actually, I was supposed to film, but I didn't film because it was horrible. I was feeling horrible. I went to work sick and I was coughing out my lungs literally, and I couldn't afford to leave work, so I stuck it out that 7-hour shift. And I came back home, my eyes were really like irritated, they were red, my nose was stocked up, you know. It was just so bad, like it was stuffed. My nose was literally stuffed. And that day I drank some medicine, which I feel somewhat a little bit better. Well, I feel better now than what I did Tuesday. I feel 100 times better, you know. And woo, I'm great that I feel better. I'm great that I'm able to breathe without, you know, doing that. But I am happy that I'm good. Okay, so in today's video, you guys, let's get to it. So in today's video, we are going to do a full face using Morphe products. I may have, well, yeah, it's a full face. I mean, I think probably the only thing I don't have of Morphe is bronzer, which I did had it, but the mirror shattered and it fell inside the bronzer, so there was no way in hell I was going to use that. So yeah, you guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face using Morphe products. So if you want to know the products I use and what makeup look I'm going to do today, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so I did do my eyebrows. I don't know if Morphe has their own dip brow thingy bajingy. I don't know. I never looked, but if they do, I'll have to try it out. But anyways, there was actually a new setting spray that came out, which is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist, which I was really excited to buy. I got the Morphe Foundation Primer Base, and I also got a concealer. And I'm really, really excited. So we got the foundation, we got the concealer, we don't have the setting powder. We have the palette, we have the highlight, we have the lashes, practically everything, blush. So yeah, you guys, so I'm really excited. So our eyebrows are already done. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the palette. So how I'm gonna be using today, if some of you know, I'm literally a big Morphe fan. I love their products. I love their palette. So I have so many palettes, so I just chose one. So today we're going in with the Hotspot 35H palette, and this is how it looks like. I think I only been in this baby like one time when I filmed it, so we're gonna go back in it today. So I'm thinking like I'm gonna do like a dark blue navy. Ooh girl, we're gonna do some smokies today. I feel like I got punched in the face. So now I'm gonna go in with a shimmer and apply this to the inner corner, making my way to the middle. And add a little bit of black into the outer V. But like this black I'm going into, it has like a shimmer to it. It has like little sparkles on it, so it won't be like intense too dark, like the intense being so black. So it has like a little nice glitter to it. Right, that's good. That was quick and fast. So I'm not gonna do no eyeliner, so we're gonna go in with some Morphe lashes. Alright you guys, so lashes are on, time to go to the face. So we're gonna go in with some foundation primer. So I really never actually used Morphe's foundation primer, but let's see how well it works, how it makes my skin feel. Feels nice. I feel my little skin a little more hydrated. Feel like it's soft. It's nice. It's really, really nice. Makes my skin feel really, really soft, shiny. So I'm now gonna go in with the foundation. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the concealer. I actually really never used concealer either, so I'm hoping it's my color because literally I just bought it online. I don't know, it looks a little too tannish, maybe too yellow for me, like too dirty. I don't know. Doesn't look like my color, but we're gonna go for it. I have no other choice. Well, it blended out pretty nice, so get some ear spun and so I'm gonna go ahead and put some color under the eyes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into blush, which I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Trio blush. What is it? Blush Trio. I'm gonna blush up these cheeks. We gotta have some type of color to our skin, girl. Highlight. Wait. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going in with the Morphe Babe in Paradise. Wow. Wow, girl. Now for lips, we're gonna go, let's see, nude or red? I don't know. But we doing something to these lips, girl. Okay, so for lipstick, I went in with the Morphe matte wifey. No, yeah, matte wifey. Okay. Now for setting spray, we're gonna use the mattifying continuous setting mist. Ooh. Ooh, wow. That smells so good. All right, you guys, so this is the final look using full Morphe products. So what can I say? That actually the concealer, nice, even though it didn't look like my shade though. Well, I know it's not supposed to look your shade a little bit lighter, but it looked, well, in person it looked more like a darker tannish color. And ooh, the setting spray. You have to get your hands on that. I think they just came out with this one too. It's new. Wow. You know, you guys, I live for a Morphe moment. Morphe has always been a favorite brand of mine. You know, Morphe was actually the first makeup I've ever put my hands on, and I am never disappointed. So anyways, you guys, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please subscribe. I'm literally trying to get out of 2070. Like, I'm literally going back and forth with 6970, 6970. And I need to move the F on from 2000. Come on, guys, girls, let's go. Let's do this. We gotta move out of there. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video.